everybody, and welcome to my channel. My name is Annie Joy, and what you can find on my channel is vlogs, comedy skits, and behind the scenes footage of how I do what I do. How I create my videos, what equipment I use, where I film it, how I shoot it, how I edit it, how I distribute it, and everything else you can think of. I love YouTube, and I love watching vloggers and YouTube creators, and I love their content because they create good content. But I always want to know how they make their videos because I love the way they make them. And I'm a video creator, and so I want to learn. And so that's what I'm doing for you. I'm teaching you how I do what I do. Today I'm going to teach you how I did a YouTube video in under 20 minutes. Stay tuned for the end of this video on all the behind the scenes footage, but for right now, let's see that comedy skit. Roll the clip. Just another beautiful day in California. The thing I love about California is the weather. It has the most perfect weather. It's amazing all the time. Is that rain? It's raining. It's raining. Oh my God. Okay. Don't panic. I'll check the weather channel. Okay.
Hello and welcome to the live weather results in California. We are not sure what is going on here. It seems to be some sort of torrential water from the sky. Oh, I'm hearing that they are puddles. We have many puddles.
You're okay.
We're getting reports of very confused people.
What is that?
They're trying to find the source of the water.
Can you drink it?
They are not sure where it is coming from.
Coming from the sky? I don't get it. I don't get it. Okay, so thank you for watching that skit, and now I'm going to take you behind the scenes on how I did it. Stay tuned. Okay, so I'm a college student, and I had a class in 30 minutes. I wasn't planning on doing a video. I definitely wasn't planning on it. But I was laying in my bed, and I noticed that it was raining, and everyone in California always says it never rains in California. So I thought to myself, a video just popped in my head, and that's going to happen to you a lot. A video is going to pop into your head, and you have two choices. You either do the video, or you don't do the video. And let me tell you, you always want to choose do the video. Now, it's not the easy choice. Of course, I wanted to stay in bed for an extra 20 minutes before class, but I thought to myself, you know, what's 20 minutes out of my day? And it either works out, it's either funny or it's not funny. And either way, at least I did something productive and I learned through what I did. Even if it was a horrible video, even if you hated it, I learned from it because I edited it, I filmed it, I was creative, I got good shots, I did lighting, I did sound, everything. I thought through the process in my head and I created something at the end of the day. Here's the deal. At the end of the day, you either have a video or you don't have a video, and it's always better to have the video. I wanted to make it a little sketch comedy because I wanted to post it to my Instagram page as a little skit. By the way, follow me on Instagram and enjoy vlogs. Before I post my YouTube videos, I always post the skit first to my Instagram page, so make sure to follow that so you can see it first. Anyway, so I was in my bed and I was like, do I do it or do I not? Well, I decided to do it. So I grabbed my camera and I didn't really have a plan other than I knew I wanted to do how someone in California reacts to rain. I needed to have the whole idea in my brain before I shot it. And that's another thing. You don't need a script. A lot of YouTube creators don't create videos because they think it's gonna take a lot of time. And it could, it very well could, and sometimes it should. But for this case, it was a comedy skit. I knew I could create it quickly, and so I just did it. And if it didn't work out, big deal. It didn't work out, that's one video. You're gonna have so many ideas in your head and you're gonna be like, oh, that would be so funny if I created it. And then you just go ahead and you do nothing. Create the video. I'm telling you, create the video. So I didn't have a script. I shot the video shot by shot. Meaning when I filmed my first scene of me in my bed, that's all I had planned out in my head. And then when I went into the living room, I thought, oh, this would be funny if I checked out the window and then I screamed because it was raining. Then I thought, what if I turned on the TV and I saw a weatherman and it was actually just me outside in the rain with a fake microphone? The second thing I did was I lit the frame. What I mean by this is I didn't light the whole room. I didn't have time for that. All I had was my camera, a really dark apartment, and one small LED light. What I did was I turned on any possible light source in the apartment. Lamps, bathroom lights, the decorative lights in my room, literally anything I had. So what I did was I took my $25 LED light and I popped it on top of my camera. Then I went around and I shot really close-up footage. The reason I did close-up footage was because I didn't have enough light to light the entire room. I just didn't. So I used that LED light for every single shot except for the outdoor lighting. This is another tool that you can use. If you ever don't have enough money to buy lights, film outside because natural light is the best light. And if you do have a light but you don't have enough to light up a whole room, do close-ups. Third tool I did was easy sound. And what I mean by that is, instead of filming the video in many locations, I filmed it in my quiet apartment for a reason. It's because there was no one in this apartment and I knew that I could get really good sound. I filmed this entire video without a microphone, with the exception of the one clip outside of the news reporter. What I did for that was I took my literally $10 lapel microphone and I popped it on my shirt. I did this because it was rainy and a little stormy outside, so it was very loud. And I wanted to give off the impression that I was actually talking into that fake microphone. All in all, I shot this video in 20 minutes. The most important thing I want you to take away from this video is to create content constantly. Meaning, always create content, whether it's good or bad. Just create it so that you can learn from it and benefit from it and be better next time. Thank you so much for watching, and please subscribe. I will be posting a new video every Tuesday and Friday, so my next video will be posted Friday, and you're gonna wanna see it. It's a good one. Also, make sure to follow me on Instagram, Annie Joy Vlogs. Thank you so much, and see you next time.